Oh, welcome all. Welcome in the match number 9 between Hell Rockers and the Dr. Reddy. Today, both the teams are without their original captain. Okay, so Dr. Reddy, Shrikant is representing Dr. Reddy. Manpreet is absent today. And Naveen is representing Hell Rockers. And Mahinder Reddy is absent today. Okay, so going for the toss. Who is going to spin? This is heads, tails. Heads. Heads. Shrikant won the toss. Dr. Reddy won the toss. Okay, so what are you opted for?
So we're gonna bat first.
Okay. So Shrikant won the bat first. So what made you to select the batting first?
Actually, we are trying to put a decent score on board. Later, we'll try to defend our opponents.
Okay, because this opponent is a little bit stronger and they won both the matches.
Yes,
And you came up with the 2 losses,
Yes.
back-to-back losses. Okay, so this is your 4th match and this is your 3rd match. So all the best for your future.
Definitely. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Naveen,
Yes.
so what would you do if once if you
We
won the
thought
match?
to bat first as well.
Okay, so it means that Shrikant has snatched your wish to bat first, right? Because you are a very strong team and you were. But I hope that you have a very good batting and bowling as well. So so what do you think? Bowling on this wicket?
The pitch looks good. Probably we will try to restrict them to 150,
Mm-hmm.
and then we'll try to chase it.
Oh, sure, sure. All the best.
Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind.
With a great pace of bowling, the batsman hit the ball direct to the point fielder. Caught out.
तो भी एक बार चोट मारता
And
पूरा
he's
खत्म
out.
कर देता 150 वाला.
Oh, what a lovely shot. Batsman stamped the ball. ऐसा ऐसा पकड़ के ऐसा नीचे से फेंक दिया आपने.
shot. Again. You missed the line, I hit. Yeah, slumped away to the deep point. क्या है six है? Same shot. Great shot by Pandu. Again, slammed out to the deep cover, and it is a boundary.
అన్న ఒక్క నిమిషం ఫీల్డింగ్ చేయొద్దని చెప్పడానికి నేను మాట్లాడతాను.
అంత తక్కువ పోయింది. మా టిప్పు సుల్తాన్ గడేమో ఒక చోక్ స్లామర్ ఇచ్చాడు, నాకు అదే పట్టింది.
Great shot by the batsman Yui. Just
19th ఓవర్
hit away into the six.
డబల్ చోక్ ఇచ్చాడు.
Again there is a no ball and sit at the six from the deep extra covers. I am not wrong. Hell Rockers will finish the match before 16 overs. The required run rate is 4.34. But they are achieving more than 10 runs. Six. And there is a 15 with 2 runs. Again yes no, and there is a run out. And there is a low ball, and the ball got low. And there is a LBW. Respecting the baller by defending the ball. Good shot. Stayed ahead to the fielder. Stayed in the hands of fielder. Again slammed away to the ball. And it is a boundary. Good shot. Just slammed away out of the park. Slammed it. The match is in the court. Good shot. There is a leading edge outside edge and the ball go towards the boundary. Last 2 balls remaining from this over. Let's see if we will complete the match in this over or not. Oh, pick out. I think Bobby wants to finish the match in his style. As I said, Bobby wants to finish the match.
We had a very fabulous match between Dr. Reddy and Hell Rockers, and Hell Rockers was convincingly win the match. So first I would like to invite the losing captain, Mr. Shrikant. So Shrikant, what do you think? Was your score a little bit low? Or?
Yeah. Actually, we thought that we would score 180 plus run. It will be easy to defend for us. Unfortunately, we didn't make it forward.
Yeah, you had a very good fielding side.
Yes, of course. So We tried our best.
So what do you think that what made?
Batsmen are not played up to the mark, so I think that would be our drawback for this match. Next time we will come with our best.
Yeah, this is your fourth match. I think 3 more matches are left.
Okay.
And you are almost 1 match into the 4th. So it's a very tough journey for you to qualify for the qualifiers, the top 4.
Yes, yes.
So just I know that you have to pull up your socks and just tighten up your batsman to score
Definitely
big.
will come with
And you came up by missing Manpreet, right? He
Yes,
was
of
your
course,
star
yeah,
batsman,
yeah.
opening batsman who was centurion in the winning match. And this is really a loss. So any other player you missed out today?
No, no. Actually, he was the guy only very positive for batting side from my team. So he missed Manpreet, so he was in trouble.
Yeah. So what about in the next match? He would be available.
I think so.
Okay.
I'm expecting to attend match next week.
Sure, sure. So wish you all the best and tighten up your socks.
Thank you.
Okay, so now I would like to invite the stand-in captain of Hell Rockers, Mr. Naveen. This name is Gopinath Reddy.
No, it's Naveen actually.
Yeah.
I think that's from Mr. Please.
Okay, so Naveen, how are you feeling? Because you have a very strong side. You have not lost a single match, and your bowlers did a fabulous job.
Yep.
And you batted very well, and you won the match in 4 overs before. So how are you feeling? What do you want to
I
say
told
about your
earlier
team?
the pitch was looking good. Sort of restricting them to 150. The guys did a great job. Bowlers did a wonderful job, and they restricted them to 137. That's a great job.
139.
The batsmen, 139. Sorry, the batsmen did their job and finished the match early. It was a great match for us from our side, and we're taking match by match, and probably will be seeing it for the next match.
So how is Mahinder Reddy? Because you are a stand-in captain today
Yeah.
for him. So what about him? Would he?
Mahinder will be coming back for the next match.
Okay, okay. So I hope that he is not badly injured. But anyways, it doesn't make any loss for you, right? You people are still performing very well, and your team is doing good. You are a very good bench strength, right? Okay, yeah, great. So all the best, very good. So you are almost on the verge of qualifying for the top 4 because you have 4 matches left, and the 3 matches whatever you played, you won all 3. So now I would like to call the star performer of the match, Mr. Pandu. वाह पांडु क्या बात है यहाँ बिल्कुल बैंड हो जाता है हाँ ओके हिंदी और इंग्लिश हाँ अरे would you come as a translator anyone आ जाओ come पांडु say this you have to be ready for the okay so he looks very shy today although in the performance he was not shy, he was a blockbuster. He bowled with 2 overs, 13 runs, 1 wicket, and bowling he scored 4 monstrous sixes and forced 36 balls, 56 runs. If I'm not wrong, 33 balls, 56 runs. So he was the anchor of the inning, anchor of the winning of the match. So Pandu, do you want to say something? How your captain was supporting, how your team was supporting, anything?
Pandu took the responsibility today. He played both aggressively and at the same time with responsibility. He won the match for us, 1 single and equal. So I would thank him.
Yeah. So Ali from our side, he will represent the man of the match.